To use the washing machine, open the door, loosely place your clothes or items in the machine and press the door firmly to lock it shut. Lift the lid on the left-hand side. This is where your washing detergents or liquids go. Use 2/3 of a scoop of washing powder and place it in the topmost section. The other sections are for liquids, this one is for powder. Close this lid, then we will select the mode that we will use today. Make sure the machine is turned on by pressing this power button. Then select the favourites, select Quickie, check the settings. If this suits you, then just press Start. The machine will now start automatically and beep when it's finished.